Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, Roberto here, and the purpose of this video is just a sort of like a brief training on how to get traffic and what kind of tools you can use in order to get traffic. And so many of us, we have our offers. We have offers that we want to introduce to our prospects. We have programs, we have great compensation plans, great products that we want to expose out there to the public, but many of us don't know how to, and many of us just really doing the wrong thing or just not putting enough effort. Now, one thing that I do want to put out there for people to understand, and this is a disclaimer, this what I'm presenting to you today, and what I'm showing you today is not guaranteeing any form or amount of income to anyone that is watching this video or putting some of these tools into effect. It's not saying that everyone is going to make the same amount of money or income that I'm making, but nevertheless it can be done, with the effort and and using some of these tools that I'm about to present to you today. And so this is just a brief overview. This is not a screenshot. This is my actual dashboard, my back office of some of my earnings from yesterday and today. Now, my today's earnings, I haven't really had too much action yet because it's still, in the morning time, and most of my visitors, most of my traffic comes from the United States. So kind of, it's kind of morning right now, and it's actually in some places it's like in the middle of the night, in some places 4 hours behind in the West Coast. But my earnings for yesterday, and I didn't mail yesterday at all. I'm not planning on mailing today either, or yesterday. This is just remnants of mailing that I did at the beginning of this week. So yesterday, this is my seller's screenshot. Just a little bit about myself. I'm a product creator. I'm an affiliate marketer, a product creator, and so I have my own products, my own software, and I sell other people's software as well. Yesterday, these are my clicks, my visitors. I sold 10 pieces of software yesterday, and I made $222 just from this platform, alone, just through this avenue here alone. And I sold 2 other pieces of software that belonged to someone else, and I made $27 there. And so, just a brief, little shot of, my little earnings and stuff like that. So, the first traffic source that I want to address, because I know that many of you that are watching this video right now, mainly most of your traffic, most of your efforts are on Facebook, and they come from Facebook, which is a great platform. It's a great advertising platform. It's great traffic. You're probably doing great in whatever affiliate program you're in or whatever product that you're selling. You're probably doing great with Facebook, but you really don't know how to leverage, or you haven't really had the time to leverage other platforms and other avenues of traffic. And so what I want to introduce to you today is other avenues of traffic, but also a way that you can automate that traffic. We don't have time for everything. We have, family, we have friends, we have things that we have to do. Some of us even have jobs, 9-to-5 jobs, secular jobs that we have to be concerned about every day, so we don't have too much time. So a lot of traffic avenues that are available out there, we don't have time for. There's a learning curve, things like that. But there are ways and avenues to where we can automate, make one effort, take a couple minutes or a day or just a couple hours one time, or an hour one time a week, or just one time to set something up, have something automated to where it can bring traffic to your offer in an automated and constant basis. And so one of these platforms that I personally use is a platform that is called IFTTT, F-I-T-T-T. And I'll explain to you in a minute what that means. And so this is good for many of you that only work Facebook, or that only use Facebook's free traffic through Facebook groups, on your profile, on your news feed. You only really use Facebook. You might use some other things, but your main source of traffic is Facebook. And so with this platform, what you can do is you can streamline or automate your Facebook traffic and direct your Facebook efforts, your posting and your advertising on Facebook, those efforts, and direct them to other different platforms automatically, and you really don't have to do anything. This is a free platform, totally free right here. You don't have to pay for it. You just gotta set it up, do it, and done with it. And so basically what IFT means right here is if this, then that. And so basically what you could do is you can automate certain things, and here are some examples. Okay, you can automatically tweet your Instagrams as native photos. Here is a Facebook one. Automatically keep your Facebook and Twitter profiles pictures in sync. Another good one is automatically share your Instagrams to Facebook. And so there are many other ones here. Automatically save photos you're tagged in on Facebook to a Dropbox folder. And so here are all the channels right here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a great way to automate your traffic, to kind of make your life, a lot easier. And so here is all of the channels right here. I mean, there are hundreds of channels here that you can use. But we're focusing right now on Facebook traffic. Taking a Facebook post, when you post on Facebook, to be able to take that post and direct it to another platform automatically at the same time with no effort whatsoever. The only effort that you made was doing the post on Facebook. And so we're gonna go to my recipes. Now here's some of my recipes right here. I have one, if new liked video, then create a link post on Top 1 Marketing, which is my fan page. So every time somebody likes one of my videos, then it will automatically post that like on my fan page. Now I don't know about you, ladies and gentlemen, but that doesn't get better than that. Being able to direct one action and turn it into traffic. Another one is if a new public video is uploaded, then create a message on my timeline. And so every time I upload a video, a public video onto YouTube, then it automatically creates a message about it on my timeline. And so here, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to create a recipe. And this is where the title of the platform comes in at. If this, then that. So if this, so this is a criteria or a contingency. So if this, we're going to go to Facebook. Any new post by you in area. This trigger fires every time you post on Facebook at a location you specify. New status message by you. This trigger fires every time you create a new plain text status message on your Facebook. New link post by you. This trigger fires every time you create a new link post on Facebook. And so let's just do a link post for an example. Every time, so new link post by you. So we're going to create the trigger. New link post by you, then that. So every time you post a link on Facebook, then we're going to have it automatically. See if I can find Twitter. This action will post a new tweet to your Twitter account. Okay? So we're going to pick that. So here is the what's going to happen is every time you post on Facebook a post link is going to be the message, and the link is going to be posted on your Twitter account as well. Create action. So create and connect. If new link post by me, then post a tweet to me. Create the recipe. And so there you go. Now it is posted. And so now every time that I put a link post on Facebook, it will automatically post it on Twitter. And so I don't have to go and post on Facebook and then turn around and post on Twitter and then turn around and post on Blogger, post on Pinterest, post on Instagram, things like that. You can automate these actions in order for you to get traffic. And so that's what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. It's about automating ways for you to get traffic. And so this is a great free way for anyone to automate their marketing. And so this is really what you want to do. You want to use, especially those of you that are just used to just posting on Facebook groups or posting on Facebook, then that's fine. But do it in such a way where you can direct those posts to other social media platforms at the same time. And this is a great way to do it, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great way to do it. Another good source of traffic, believe it or not, there are people that are biased for it and they're biased against it. People, they like it. Some people do not. Nevertheless, I'm the type of person where I'm more of, a bulk type of person. The more that I can, the more traffic that I can drive to my offer, the better. Now, does that mean that I'm going to convert on all that traffic? No, it does not mean that. And so many of people, we are kind of a right now or a gimme type of a human people. Is that we want things right now. We want a lot of it. We don't want to wait for anything. And so whenever things don't happen our way, or whenever things don't happen as fast as we think they should happen, then some things are bad, and when they're really not. And so a good source of traffic for me, I believe, especially if it's automated, is traffic exchanges and viral mailers. And so, what traffic exchanges are basically, I look at your offer so that you can look at my offer, right? Viral mailers, I read your emails so that you can read my emails. And so a good way of traffic that I had found was Referral Frenzy, which is basically, it's a platform that takes hundreds of other traffic exchanges and viral mailers. It takes them and it helps you automate your mailing to those platforms or to those programs. So instead of having to go to different traffic exchanges or different viral mailers separately and mail, email your offer to all of their members in each different website or each different platform all at one time, that's going to take you, hours, because this platform here offers you to be able to automate to hundreds of different traffic exchanges and viral mailers at one time. So just imagine going to 100 different viral mailers just so that you can mail an offer in each one of those. That would take you hours, but with this you can do it in just minutes. And so, what many people say is that traffic at from viral mailers or traffic exchanges really are a waste of time or whatever. And so yeah, I agree, they are a waste of time if you have to actually go to each individual website one at a time and spend hours mailing. Yeah, because you're not going to get a whole lot of conversion from this. But if it can be automated, then that's a whole different story. And so really, all I really do is use these traffic exchanges and viral mailers, and that's how I'm getting these kind of sales or this kind of earnings right here, is from doing this right here alone. And so this is a great thing. And so what happens is, when you go to send mail, and there's a lot of other things that you can do with this program here. I'm just showing you one facet of it, which is the most important facet of it. And so, while we wait to load it, it's kind of slow. There's a lot going on this platform, and it's kind of slow because I'm doing a screencast at the same time. And so another thing that you're going to have to do in order to drive traffic is you're going to have your own web pages. You're going to have your own squeeze pages, your own web pages, your own sales pages. Now, all these programs that you join, or all these offers that you join, are not going to have capture pages and landing pages for you. And if they do, it's only going to be a couple, and then there's going to be dozens, even hundreds, even thousands of affiliates or members promoting the same landing pages and splash pages and banners and things like that. One important thing in marketing is you have to be able to differentiate yourself from everyone else. And one of the best ways to do that is by creating your own stuff, creating your own capture pages and things like that. Now, many of us are not coders. We're not technical like that. We don't know, how to design web pages from scratch. We don't know nothing about coding and things like that. And so that's where we use software to help us in our marketing endeavors. But a lot of those softwares are really expensive, or they charge monthly and things like that. And so I'm going to introduce to you a good web page builder that is going to help you build your capture pages easily. I'm talking about like a walk in the park. And so here is there's 112 active mailers that we can use in Referral Frenzy. Now look at all these mailers. Now you can either spend hours every single day trying to mail to every single one of these mailers. Spend hours every single day just to get a little bit of traffic and a little bit of conversions. Or you can, hop on this program here and spend a couple hours one time, right? And to join as many programs as you can, join all these programs. And ladies and gentlemen, this is free traffic. And so all these mailers, they give you a certain amount of credits every single month for you to mail onto their platforms. And so these are totally free. These platforms are totally free. Now this platform here, this automated platform, it's not. It's going to cost you a little bit, but the cost, the traffic and the conversion and the automation outweighs the little small fee for this platform here. And so look at all these. So all you have to do is take the time, a couple hours, to join all these programs, input the info, and go ahead and start mailing to all of these. And so as you can see, all these check marks, all of the mailers that I have joined, you can see I haven't even joined all of them, and I'm getting these kind of results here. I haven't even joined all of them. I'm thinking about, I'm going to join a couple more, do some work here sometime tomorrow. But nevertheless, and so all these that I have joined, so all I have to do is I have to just click send mail, and another page is going to pop up where I can mail all of the ones that I have joined. And if I have credits, then I can mail them. So here you go. Here's all of the ones that I can mail and I cannot mail. And it tells you how many credits you have, how many members you can mail to right now, and those that you can't send to. It tells you must view at least 5 ads. And so here you view unread ads right here. You click on that, it'll take you to be able to read those mails, and then this will become active. And then you select an ad that you want to promote. You can go up here to my ads, and you can create an email, an ad. It's an email, and that is going to be sent to all of these. So I show you the emails. So you see I get emails from all of these platforms here. Aussie Mailer, Text Ad Traffic, Mailer for All. And so I get emails for all of these, and I actually look at these mails to see if there's anything that is appealing for me or anything new that has come out that I want to jump on or I want to join. I actually look at all these mails, and when I mail, sometimes I get the same mails that I mail out. I get them right here in my inbox, and so I can see that they're being sent out. And so this is a legit platform. I've put trackers on my web pages and things like that to see if this is really driving traffic, and it really is driving traffic. I'm getting traffic, I'm getting sales, I'm getting conversions. And so if you're interested in automating your promotions to traffic exchanges and viral mailers, just go to the link below this video in the description and sign up and try it out for a month and see what happens. But you have to be diligent. You have to work it. You can't just sign up and not do nothing. You have to actually be diligent, and you have to work it. And so this is another great way to drive traffic to your offer automatically. And so this is a chance that you really want to jump on. So you have automated traffic through IFT, Referral Frenzy, and then you can build your squeeze pages. And so here is a great software. It's a great platform to build your squeeze pages. And so this is easy, simple drag and drop. There's nothing technical, nothing hard about this. You just have to create a page, go to it, create a new page. We're gonna go with test 10. Create the page, edit. And so here, see here, you have buttons, you have colored boxes, link box, text, images, clip art already embedded into the system, YouTube, iframe, custom HTML, countdown timers, PayPal buttons, and things like that. So you can add these things. Here's a button, a link URL, google.com, font color, we'll go with white, button color, we'll go with red, create the button, see, there's a button. Then you can add maybe a YouTube video. Gotta add the code to the video. So we'll go to YouTube real quick and just pick one of these. So we just grab the code from this video in the URL, go back over here, add the code, there's your video, there's the video, and then maybe we want to add a testing this, change the color to like a blue, okay, change the size, we're gonna make it really big, change the there you go, see, okay, and then we can preview this. Don't get discouraged, ladies and gentlemen, by the way this looks. I'm just showing you, the features and what can be done here. I'm about to show you something in a minute that's even greater. But I saved it, preview the page. I just want to show you the functionality of it. You can change all this. You can change this color, put a background image, background video. You can do basically whatever you want with this. Now, the great thing about this is that there's already over 70 or 80 templates already built into this platform that is ready to go for you, and you can do whatever you want with these templates here, whatever you want with them. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, this is phenomenal. This is some really great stuff here. Let's go ahead and pick a template. Let's pick that one. So here you go, ladies and gentlemen. You could do whatever you want with this. You can move the letters. You can add clip art to it. You can add clip art to it if you like. See? You can direct you know, put a link in the image to where somebody clicks on it, it'll take them to it. See? You can add it. You can make it bigger. Put it wherever you want. The video, you know, you can change the video code if you want. You can change the video code if you like. We'll change it. Different video. See, you can do anything you want. You can change this text here. You can move it around. Move the buy buttons. You can change this background color. You can make this wider if you want. You know, you can basically do almost anything you want with this here. I mean, this is just phenomenal. It's a great software. It helps you kick out, you know, your capture pages, your landing pages quickly. And so there's no technical, no coding, nothing technical about it. You just come in here, build your page, and then save it. Make sure you save. See, let's go ahead and preview this mess I did. Preview this mess I did right here. See the mumbo jumbo I did. But and so that's it. And then you can just you can use this page. You can use this preview page and promote that. Or you can export it. You can take the embed code. You can add to your Facebook page. You could take the embed code. You could take this URL right here, promote it. That'll be the URL to the page. You know, you can basically do whatever you want with this. You know, and so it's so easy. And so, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully this little bit of traffic training, you know, this helped you. All I really want to do is just help you with your traffic. You know, kind of take your focus a little bit off of Facebook and automating, because that's what it's all about. You know, I know things are difficult and they're hard trying to drive traffic or trying to put your offer in front of thousands and even millions of people, because there's only but so much time in a day. But if you can find ways to automate that, and to tap into other platforms and other programs and into other social media platforms, then you know that's what we need to do. But the best way to do that is to automate it. And so I've given you some automated tips, some ways to be able to automate your traffic, a good way to build your pages. If you're interested in, you know, getting Squeezematic, just go into the description below and go ahead and jump on that. It's at a really low price right now. So if you really want to get it, then go ahead and get it now before the price goes up. And so hopefully this helped you, and I thank you for your time, and happy traffic getting. Bye-bye.